Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just said something that was real creepy. Anyways, in today's video I'm coming to you guys with a different type of video, and I'm basically gonna show you guys what I got for I'm basically gonna show you guys what I got for my weekly meal prep. Before I start off with my groceries, this is my first time actually starting out, so bear with me. And I don't know if I'm gonna film this, but I'm probably gonna film the end results of it. And yeah, that's basically it. So again, since I started the new job, it backslid me a little bit, and but I'm back on my healthiness, my nutrition, my healthy nutrition lifestyle. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the video, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm just gonna start off by showing you guys my ingredients, and maybe I'm gonna record a video of what I'm gonna be eating throughout this week. So since I started working, it kind of set me behind with my nutrition, you could say. I lost weight actually instead of gaining weight.
Tell mom just go if she's ready.
Alright, as I was saying, so since I started working, my schedule has been kind of like pushed me back with my nutrition and stuff. So I would eat at different times. Before, I used to eat like 3 times a day. So this time I've lost weight. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've lost some weight during this transition of a new job and school and stuff. But my classes are basically online classes anyway, so I don't have to worry about running around and stuff like that. So anyways, and then I ended up spending about like maybe $100 every week on food, because I wouldn't carry food with me. So this way I'll be able to have the right proper nutrition and know what's in my food intake that I have throughout the week. So that is why I started this meal prep journey for myself, and this is the first time actually that I'll be doing this. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So these these groceries should probably last me, I hope, like maybe 2 weeks, hopefully. Because I tend to eat a lot and I spend a lot of money on food at my job. So I went grocery shopping at Costco. For you guys who don't know what Costco is, but it's basically what is called a grocery store slash, it's kind of like Walmart, but you get a membership, a Costco card membership that you use to shop there, and every single thing that they have comes in like large portions. So for example, I got this poultry chicken right here, and this is organic. These are organic chicken breasts. They look so cute, don't they? But this priced up at $28.44. I don't know if the camera picks it up right there. So I'm gonna be doing those with probably like some vegetables like broccoli or something like that. So then I got salmon. I didn't get any kind of red meat because I don't know, I'm just trying to cut back on red meat, like I said before. So then I went and I also picked up this salmon, wild caught salmon fillet. This retails at about $17.10. And then since I want it to be a little fancy, so I also have the salmon, what is this, this Atlantic salmon with seafood stuffing. This is like comes in as. I'm just gonna be cooking it and putting it in the oven to cook it. And this retails at $26.25. So let me put these in the freezer.
I'm watching your video, right?
Okay, then for I also got this tuna fillet right here. So they look like. This retails at about $27. And that's it for meat. Okay, now it comes to the veggie portions. Okay, now it comes to the veggie portions. So for vegetables, I have a whole bunch of stuff for veggies. So this one here, this is broccoli. Like I said, they come in like really large packaging. So I just got a pack of broccoli, and I also have a pack of fresh spinach. Yeah, spinach leaves, and then I also have asparagus. They come like that. Then I got these 6 bell peppers. You know, you have the orange, the yellow, and the red one. I'm missing the green one, but I couldn't find any. So anyways, then I also have these organic fine French beans right here. So got a pack of carrots, some cucumbers, and some mushrooms. These are high in vitamin D, basically. So that's pretty awesome. These are the these are the mushrooms. So that's it for veggies. All right, I'm gonna move on to, I guess, like fruits and like some grains and stuff. So before I start off with the fruits, I got these solution plastic snapware like pieces for what is it called, for my meal preps. As you guys can see, you can put a whole bunch of stuff on there. Let me actually open it so I can see what it looks like. Alright, so they're basically like meal prep containers. There's like 38 pieces in them, so this is how they look like. Yeah, nothing special actually. Like, they're just regular containers. A whole bunch of them because I'm gonna need them. You see, this is really great for me. You guys don't even know. Really, this is so great. Okay, so then you have these here, and these are the tops for them. And yeah, that's about it for the containers. And it's really great because yeah, it's 38 pieces in there, so I don't have to worry about, you know, whatever. All right, so for fruits and veggies, no, not fruits and veggies, just for fruits, I ended up picking up some fresh strawberries. This is probably what I'm gonna eat for breakfast and stuff, and also fresh blueberries. I can throw it in with my oatmeal and stuff. Some fresh bananas. Then I got I don't know if these are considered fruits because, well, they're not fruits because they don't have seeds. I mean, they're fruits because they have seeds. So, so I got these avocados right here. It's a bunch of them, and I guess it's considered a fruit, right? Because it has seeds. Anyways, then I got these seedless grapes, the green grapes, and I also have them. I also have the table grapes, the red seedless ones. These here. So that's that. Then I also picked up these almonds. They're already halfly cut. Sorry, they're already sliced in half, so I can put that with my oatmeal as well. Yeah, I can put that with my oatmeal as well. So then I also picked up these pomegranate seeds, you could say. This I could also eat as a snack, you know. I'm gonna try it out right now. I'm a little bit hungry. Oh my god, they're so good. They're a little bit bitter, but so good. This is really a great way to snack instead of snacking on, like, you know, fatty stuff. Alright, next I got this papaya right here. To mix it with my fruits, and then I just picked up this Sazon seasoning for cooking. Okay, next I'm gonna show you guys my grains. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you. Then I also have these bananas out here as well. I think I showed it to you guys before. I think I picked up wrong ones because these are really ripe, like ready to be eaten. So I don't know, we have to munch on those very quickly. Okay, so for grains I have quinoa. Honestly, I've never you know, cooked quinoa before, so this is gonna be my first time ever cooking it. I hope it's gonna come out well. So I got quinoa, then I have jasmine rice. It's really heavy, this pack right here. And then I also have this oatmeal pack for my breakfast, most likely. You know, I'm gonna mix it with some fruits in there and stuff. So, and I think that's about it. I also picked up some cooking oil as well. So I have this organic virgin coconut oil that I'm gonna be using for my rice and stuff, and also for, you know, just regular cooking. Then I also picked up, I don't know, I've never tried avocado oil, but I picked up this avocado oil here as well. So I hope it's gonna you know, it's very light flavor, it says, for frying, grilling, and salads. So that's pretty awesome. So I picked that one up to try it out and whatnot. And they also had this Neutrogena makeup remover towelettes, and instead of me buying just one pack at Walgreens, I just thought this is just awesome because it has 114 towelettes on it. So yeah, I picked this up. So my total came up to, let me go get my receipt. So yeah, my total came up to, as you guys can see, this is how much I spent on groceries right there. And I think, you know, it's a good kind of choice because I won't be spending money for food because I really am gonna be meal prepping anyways and getting my food. I don't know, today I'm really not feeling this hair today, but anyways, since yeah, I think it's a great bargain because I won't be buying food, and you know, since I'll be meal prepping anyway, so there's no money that I'll be spending extra on food for this whole week. So we'll see how it goes. So I have my lunch, my breakfast, lunch and dinner like in this grocery shopping that I did. So I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure how long it's gonna last me, but we'll see. I'm gonna meal prep for a week and then see how it's gonna work out for me for this whole week. And hopefully it's gonna be good. Like, I still live with my parents as well, so they're gonna be eating it as well, so we'll see how long it's gonna last me. You know, yeah. So yeah guys, so that's basically it for my grocery list, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was just trying to do something different on my channel as well, not just always, you know, I'm just trying to mix in some different stuff in it. So yeah, with that being said, that concludes this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and start this meal prep of mine. That concludes the video. I'm gonna end this video right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, have a good one.